So it has all these accessories, also those cool. It comes with 3 of these that you can put around the house, and 2 of the bell. So I'm gonna open one and show you. I plug it in. It just requires no hard wire. It's wireless. You just plug it into your power outlet. There's a battery in here, and you pull it off like this. And I'm trying to see how you can open it. Oh, probably here. Nope. So it's I thought you could change. Okay, so I changed one, so let's see. So both works, and you can plug it in. So 3, it's almost like an amplifier. So this is, as long you don't need to connect to anything. So it has the volume, it has the sound, the music that you can pick, and it comes with 3.